Good morning to one and all present here. In this video lecture series, we are going to discuss about an topic rapid prototyping technologies in the subject new product development in Unit 5 Physical Prototypes and Experimentation. My name is Divya Kumar, Assistant Professor from SNS College of Technology. What is rapid prototyping? Rapid prototyping, it is one of the group of techniques which is used to quickly fabricate the physical models or functional parts directly from the CAD model. What are the major needs of rapid prototyping? It reduces the product development time, it helps in visualization, testing and iteration. The major principle behind the rapid prototyping is, first we need to produce the CAD model and then we need to convert the CAD model, or we need to save the particular format in the STL file format, and by layer fabrication. Some of the applications of rapid prototyping techniques are: it is majorly used in automotive parts, aerospace industries, medical implants, consumer products, design validation, etc. The major key features of rapid prototyping is time saving, cost effective for prototypes, and complex geometries possible. In this video, we are going to discuss about some of the major rapid prototyping techniques. Before that, we are going to classify the rapid prototyping techniques based upon the starting material or raw material which is used. There are about majorly three types of rapid prototyping technologies based upon the raw materials or starting materials used. First one is it is based on liquid based. If the starting material or raw material is in a liquid form, there are about different types, and then it is in the solid type, second type, third one is the powder type. Some of the major techniques based upon the liquid based technique is stereolithography apparatus and solid ground curing. The second most important type based upon the solid raw material is fused deposition modeling and then laminated object manufacturing. In case of powder, it has two techniques. One is the selective laser sintering and then the 3D printer. Now we are going to discuss in detail about the stereolithography apparatus. Stereolithography apparatus, the short form is SLA. It is the first commercial rapid prototyping technique which is developed by the Charles Hull in the year 1986. The major principle behind the stereolithography apparatus is it uses an UV laser. Here it is. It uses an UV laser to cure the photosensitive liquid resin layer by layer to form a solid 3D object. The working steps of stereolithography is, first we need to create the CAD model preparation, and then we need to convert the particular model into an STL file format. The second most important is the slicing process. In this, the software slices the model to the thin layers. Next one is the resin vat setup. It is filled with liquid photopolymer resin, and then the laser scanning process takes place. In this, the UV laser traces the cross sections curing resin, and then the layer building process takes place, and then the post processing, that means washing, UV curing, support removal, etc. First one is the resin vat. This portion is known as the resin vat. Here it is the container. It is filled with the liquid photopolymer resin. It is sensitive to the UV rays. It has a transparent bottom to allow the curing, and in this setup the resin should be stable and photosensitive. The second most important part is the elevator. This portion is the elevator or a built platform or elevator table. The movable platform inside the resin vat. It moves upward direction as it is shown in the figure, and also it moves in the downward direction layer by layer based upon the thickness of the design. It supports the parts during the construction. The third most important is the laser beam or UV laser. It is an high intensity ultraviolet laser beam. It is commonly used as the helium cadmium laser with an wavelength of 325 nanometer. It provides an energy to solidify the resin which is present in the container. It makes the shape of the solid part based upon the design which is incorporated by using the CAD model.